Now I will show you how to look after your cello. After playing, you have a build-up of rosin dust on the strings, on the bridge, on the top plate, so you always need to wipe your cello after playing. You wipe the rosin dust off the strings, in between the strings, on the fingerboard. You wipe under the strings, under the fingerboard. You wipe carefully on top of the bridge, in between the brackets of the bridge, and all the way down here. So if you wipe your cello every time after playing, it can look as beautiful as it looks now for a very, very long time. Obviously, if you do not do that, you will have a build-up of rosin dust on your strings as well as on your bridge and on your top plate. It's more visible actually on a violin top plate, but on a cello top plate you have a build-up of rosin dust as well, and very often it shows the most on the bridge, because that's where all the dust falls. And then the rosin dust melts and it actually gets stuck to the bridge and to the top plate, and you will need professional cleaning. You will need professional cleaning if you do not wipe it every day. So that brings me actually to the next thing, is when you wipe your cello, you wipe actually on top of the bridge as well. In the bridge there's 4 grooves for the strings here, and if the rosin dust gets not wiped off, the strings get stuck to the bridge. And then whenever you tune with the tuning pegs, the bridge is actually moving forwards and it's standing like this.